Hi there, I'm Trevor from WizCase, and here's a wild fact for you. Nearly 1 in 4 internet users worldwide now rely on VPNs. But the sad part, most of them barely scratch the surface of what these tools really can do. Let's talk about your money and why travel websites seem determined to grab more of it every time you refresh the page. Ever noticed how airline tickets, hotel rooms, or car rentals sometimes jump in price right after you've looked at them a couple of times? You're not imagining things. This sneaky tactic is called dynamic pricing. Basically, these sites track your browsing history, your location, and even the type of device you're using. Mac users, I hate to break it to you, but websites assume you're willing to spend more, so they literally show you higher prices. It's harsh, but it's true. Luckily, your VPN is the perfect way to fight back. When you switch your location with a VPN, you're basically tricking the website into thinking you're somewhere else entirely. This simple trick often unlocks completely different prices, usually lower ones. Just one heads up though, make sure you're using incognito mode or clear cookies before trying different VPN locations. Otherwise, the site still remembers you and your desperate flight searches, and yeah, it'll keep showing you the same inflated prices. And I'm not just throwing theories around. I've personally saved hundreds on flights and hotel stays just by connecting my VPN through different countries. Takes a couple of extra minutes, yes, but trust me, it's worth it. So next time you're booking a trip, turn your VPN on, switch locations a few times, and watch prices drop like magic. And if you're wondering which VPN is actually worth your time in 2025, we made a full guide on how to choose the right one for you based on what you actually need. Before we wrap, here are a few quick-fire tips to get the most out of your VPN, because most people never bother to tweak a thing. Switch servers if your connection is slow. Sometimes it's not you, it's the server. Try one nearby or a less crowded region. Use split tunneling if your VPN is slowing down certain apps. That way, only the important stuff goes through the VPN and the rest stays snappy. Always connect before logging in. Don't wait until you're mid-session to turn it on. If you're gonna use public Wi-Fi or visit a sensitive site, VPN first. And avoid free VPNs. Most of them either don't work well, they log your data, or flood you with ads. If you're serious about privacy or streaming, whatever, go with a solid paid one. These little tweaks can make a big difference. And the best part, none of this needs a tech degree. You click connect and boom, you're in control. Whether you're working, traveling, binge watching, or just trying to stop your ISP from acting like a nosy roommate, a VPN makes the internet work for you, not the other way around. So, if this helped, give it a like so more people can see it, and if you've got any clever VPN tricks we didn't mention, just drop them down in the comments. Actually read those. And yeah, if you're hunting for a free VPN, I know that I said that you shouldn't use it, but this one actually works with all this stuff. Streaming, speed, privacy, whatever. We've tested the best of them here. Right here, or here. Alright? Thanks for watching. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one.